In this video, we're going to be giving these super cheap tires from Amazon, one of the highest rated no-name brand tires that you can get on Amazon. We're going to be bolting them up on this Axial Bomber and giving them a test compared to the stock Axial Bomber tires to see, are they really any good or not? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Troy and this is Roadside RC. What you'll tend to find me doing is bashing or crawling or drifting or racing, plus product review videos and how-tos. And today I bought the cheapest, highly reviewed tire on Amazon. It's a 2.2 so that it'll fit the stock beadlocks on my Axial Bomber. And I don't know. When we first test them, it's got pretty soft foams in them, and the rubber compound is actually very, very, very soft. And so there's a chance that these things are actually decent. And in order to give them a test, we're going to see, is it really an upgrade versus the stock Bomber tires? So the first thing we're going to do is get a battery in this. We're going to take it out to the backyard crawling course, hit a number of obstacles just to see how it does as it sits. Then we're going to put these on there to do a back-to-back test. reminder to all of you out there, this is actually the giveaway bomber build. So if you want to be in chance to win this bomber once I'm done building it, you need to get down there. You need to make sure you're subscribed. You need to make sure you hit that notification button, because this giveaway is for my loyal subscribers. This isn't going to be some you have a month to enter or something else like this. You might only have 24, 48 hours to get entered into this giveaway. So you need to have that subscription button clicked. You need to have that notification button clicked if you want a chance to win this bomber once I'm done with it. We have to do the side-by-side test. Check this out. Definitely taller, so squishy. I can't explain to you how absolutely squishy and soft these tires are. I'm afraid when we crawl with them, they're just going to wrinkle up like a little ball. Or they're going to have amazing traction. One of the ways you can really see this is look at kind of the footprint that we have here on the stock tire. Pretty small actually, right? Pretty stiff sidewall, pretty stiff foam. And then over here on this tire, look at how bulged out we are. Oh my gosh, we got all the bulge, super long footprint. I mean, that thing, it's either gonna be amazing or horrible. We don't know which yet, but it's clearly gonna be one or the other. So let's get these other two done, and then we're gonna get it back out there and try it. Did you see that? I mean, seriously, did you see how good these are? So not only do they look mean and fun, and they go with the like military big mouth grar kind of theme, right? They actually perform well. I mean, like, seriously, are you kidding me? I had to go look it back up because I didn't believe it. So a set of 4 on Amazon when I purchased them, $58. $58 for a set of 4. That's half-ish of what you would pay for a set of like name-ish brand tires and similar for 2.2s. And they really did good. They surprised me. They went up backyard, super steep rock. They went up it and over it like it was nothing. The front rock walls, they went up and over so much better than the stock tires. Really surprised. The only thing I will say is that if you have these for a long time, obviously I just assembled them, I just put them together. If you have them for a long time, I'm imagining as these foams break down, they will get too soft. And so at some point you'll probably end up replacing the foams. Heck, you could probably just steal the foams out of the factory tires and put those in there as you did it. That'd probably actually work. You might not have to buy extra foams. You already have some in these. Maybe you just use them instead. So hey, that's a different idea, different day. But really surprised how good they are. I'm gonna say it again, this is the giveaway bomber build. All right, I still have more stuff that I'm going to be doing to this, so please follow along, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, keep watching, because you don't know when I'm going to be giving it away and what's going to trigger the giveaway. So stay tuned, more for that coming. Come over here, check out some of our other crawling videos, and we will see you in that next one. Thank you and goodbye.